I'm gonna show you how to take back a chunk of your digital life with self-hosting, without turning your weekend into a sysadmin boot camp. Think of this as, pick one thing, set it up, feel the win. Step 1. Pick the problem you want to solve. Photos you control? Nextcloud. Ad blocking for your whole home? Pi-hole. Private password manager? Vault Warden. Streaming your own media? Jellyfin. Choose one. That keeps this simple and fun. Step 2. Choose where it lives. Option A. An old laptop or mini PC at home. It's quiet. It's cheap. It's fast enough. Option B. A Raspberry Pi if you already have one. Option C. A low-cost VPS if your home internet blocks ports or you're on CGNAT. I like starting at home, so my data stays at home. Step 3. Prep the base. Install a lightweight OS. Ubuntu server is friendly. Update it. Install Docker. Install Docker Compose. That's your app store. No tinkering with a million configs. Just a compose file and you're rolling. Step 4. Make it reachable safely. On your network only, you're done. Want remote access? Use a reverse proxy, Nginx Proxy Manager. Traefik. Grab a domain. Get automatic HTTPS with Let's Encrypt. If your ISP blocks stuff, use Cloudflare Tunnel. Or use Tailscale to skip port forwarding entirely. Step 5. Launch your app. For example, Vault Warden. Pull the compose file. Set the admin email. Map a volume for data. Bring it up. Test locally. Then add HTTPS. Then turn on 2FA. That's it. You've got your own private password manager. Bonus, backups so you sleep at night. Follow 3-2-1. 3 copies. 2 different media. 1 off-site. For home boxes, schedule nightly backups of your app data folders to an external drive. Plus a weekly encrypted push to cloud or another box. Maintenance plan in 1 sentence. Auto updates on the OS. Watchtower for container auto updates. Or manual updates for containers. Check your dashboard once a week. 5 minutes. Costs? A hand-me-down PC. Basically free. A Pi, low power. A VPS, a few bucks a month. Value? You trade subscriptions and tracking for control and speed. What if you outgrow it? Add apps 1 at a time, not 10. Use compose files, use labels, use networks. If you ever need to move, copy your data volumes. Redeploy? Done. Quick starter menu. Vault Warden for passwords. Nextcloud for files and photos. Pi-hole for network ad block. Jellyfin for media. Pick one, ship it, then decide if you want more. Digital independence isn't about living off-grid. It's about choosing what you rely on. I'd start tonight. Install Docker, deploy 1 container, set 2FA, and back it up. That first win changes how you think about your data. If you want a deeper guide, drop a comment with what you're trying to host, and I'll map it out step by step. You've got this.